I'm Dr. Neal Guymon at Summit Eyecare. Everybody knows about the famous air puff test during the eye exam. It's usually the most talked about part of the eye exam. The reason why doctors do this test is to measure eye pressure, which can screen for a disease called glaucoma. There are two ways to do this: the air puff test, or another way where we use a numbing eye drop and apply pressure to the eye to measure eye pressure. Here at Summit Eyecare, we are proud to announce we have a new way of measuring eye pressure. It's called the Eyecare tonometer. There's no air puff, no eye drop, and on top of that, it's really simple and really accurate. To demonstrate how simple this is, I brought my 6-year-old boy Grayson with me, and we're gonna get an eye pressure measurement on him with the Eyecare. Okay, Grayson, I'm gonna have you look right at that light switch. Let's rest right on your forehead. And then we take it. 15, we got it. Here at Summit Eyecare, we try and stay on the forefront of technology to provide you with the best eye care possible. We hope to see you in for an eye exam soon. Again, this is Dr. Neal Guymon at Summit Eyecare, where your vision is our focus.